This is a solo surf trip.
It is absolutely firing.
Good morning, Nub Nation. As you guys can tell, we are already on the road. We're about to get on the Cape May Lewis ferry and we are getting out of New Jersey right now. Here's the situation. I'm gonna pull up a little map for you guys so you can see what's going on. See, everybody's worried about Tropical Storm Isaias. If you're watching the screen here, you can see that thing spinning up past the Bahamas, hitting Florida, hitting South Carolina, bang, going over North Carolina, and then quickly making its way up from Virginia Beach all the way up to New England, and bang, out of here by Wednesday afternoon. So what they're not paying attention to is this little guy right here. This little piece of meat right here is giving us a little kick of swell. So what I'm doing is, I see this stuff Saturday, Sunday still a little bit, then Monday, Tropical Storm Isaias starts coming up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna track down this little thing right here that no one's paying attention to, and I'm gonna go get barreled. That's the goal, that's the mission, and that's the dream. But right now we're hopping on the ferry, and good morning. Hope you guys are embracing your day, grasping it, squeezing every single last drop of stoke out of it, and getting ready for a nuclear hurricane season. We're stoked. I think my camera is bouncing up and down. We're stoked to be here. Nub Nation for the win. The storms are coming. We're doing it. Car is packed up. I got camping supplies. I got rations. I got water. I got cameras. This is a solo surf trip. So get ready. Anything could happen because it's solo, and we're stoked. So glad you guys are here with me. Let's do it. Whew. We're about an hour out, just hit this gnarly rainstorm right here. Stuck in a little bit of traffic. Yeah, we might even get a surf in today, which I'm stoked about. So hope you guys are amped, and the journey is real. Like the solo surf mission, kind of heavy, but in a weird way, fun. The only thing we need to really make this epic is coffee, and then we're gonna go shred. Let's do it. You know, a lot of people who are watching might not know this about me. Even people who've been watching for a long time might not know this about me. But before I became a semi-professional surfer and got super gnarly and shredded the gnar all the time, I drove a monster truck. You know what they called me? The Grave Digger. That's right. They call me the Grave Digger. Now it's just gravy. Yeah. What the heck? Get out, dude. There's a freaking dragonfly in here. This is so weird. Whoa, dude. What's it doing? Whoa, look at it, look at it. It's lost. Dude, it keeps thinking the window's the way out. Come on, dude, don't be dumb. That thing's pretty wild looking. How am I gonna get it out, dude? I think it's gone. Dude, it's right there. This thing is tripping me out. There it goes. All right. All right, let's roll. Phew. Solo surf trip's a little weird when everyone else that you know is done surfing for the day. So no one meets you at the beach and you gotta get that wash off session by yourself. Kind of weird, but we're on it. Couple fun looking waves. Whew. Dude, if this is any indication of tomorrow, it's gonna be pumping. Let's do this. Phew. All right, just got out. First surf session down. Dude, plenty of swell. It's gonna build all night, and tomorrow morning we should be seeing some serious dreamers. I caught some fun ones, dude. So stoked. I took out the 8-foot soft top. Gonna go find a spot to eat dinner, make my bed back there. And then we're gonna wake up and shred. So hope you guys are stoked. Dream is on. Let's do it. Yo. I know you guys think I'm out of my mind. This is the kind of stuff I like to do. This kind of thought pops into my head. Like, oh, I've never slept in the Subi before. So, I want to crash in the Subi. $80 degrees all night, so that's my bed. I don't really need a blanket or anything, so. Kind of bummed right now. My dinner bag blew apart, so my knife for my peanut butter was on the ground. So I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow when I can get a better knife. So tonight we eat Nature Valley biscuits for dinner, but that's okay. It's almost 9 already, and I'm getting up at like 5 in the morning, so no difference to me. right, that's gonna be the worst shave job ever, but it's definitely gonna help me sleep. It's so gnarly to sleep when you have a mustache. Woo! All right, good morning, guys, from the trunk of the Subaru, where it is currently 5 a.m. and we are up and at 'em. The gnarliest thing about the Outer Banks, no coffee shops open till 8, so you gotta charge it. Let's go check the surf. All right, here we go, first look. My freaking lens keeps fogging up still. First look. It looks pretty small. We're gonna jump back in the car and start heading the other direction. Plenty of swell out the back, it's just not hitting right here, so we're on it. All right, guys, we just got the update from Brett Barley. He just sent me a little clip, check it out. So it looks like it's barreling, and I'm pretty much just gonna head there, jump in my board shorts and get in the water because that's what it's all about, dude. Woo! Chilly little morning in the car, hot outside. Dude, I froze all night in that back. I froze. I'm booking to the spot that Brett's at right now, and I'm gonna jump out of the car and we're gonna get a couple barrels. So, stoked, dream is on. Let's do it. Woo!
All right, it is absolutely firing. Woo! Here we go. Good morning. Down to less than 2 minutes. Woo! I'm not losing another one of these things. All right, let's make some barrels. Woo! I just got some sick waves. I'm a little confused. Somehow, the back of this camera, GoPro, is smashed. So I kicked out of that wave and literally smashed. I don't think you guys can see it. The glass is smashed. I smashed it. I'm tripping out. Don't even know how that would happen. Hit my head too. And I'm pretty bummed right now because this is the only camera I have for the trip. So solo surf trip just got a whole lot heavier. So maybe we'll go to Walmart and buy another GoPro, but until then, I think I'm gonna go catch a couple more waves, hope for the best, and yeah, let's see what happens. Phew.
Dude, we could be out there in less than 5 minutes. You just drove 8 hours and you don't want to film? I'm a little confused.
I think we should keep looking.
What are we gonna?
Just likes to look.
Dude, we're not gonna find anything.
I like the adventure.
Can I make you a promise?
Yeah.
I'll bet you $100. How about this? I'll make a sick slow-mo tube for you,
For $100, that covers like
and I'll give you $100.
a third of the hotel last night. Yeah, but if you don't.
No, I give you the 100 no matter what.
All right, deal.
Let's go. All right, go get your tripod. Stevie would make that. Local expert.
Dude, you don't even have to make a wave to get a clip here.
I'm saying, dude, just go down there with a long lens, shoot into it. We'll get some nuts slow-mo, and you'll make $100.
$100 for 120 frames? $1 per. Dude, I don't like this dual vlogging.
You're not vlogging.
Yeah,
you haven't dropped the video since March. Dead ass, there was a point in time when I could count the amount of vlogs between when we were supposed to collab. Remember we filmed our collab and I was like 7, 8, 56. Like, all right, Rob and Ryan Smallcheck just rolled up. They drove overnight. Driving overnight kills you because they got here a little late. The waves are kind of small, but we're all good. It's still barreling. I'm stoked. Oh my God, there's a full tube down the beach. Yo, that thing was nuts. So we're still on. I'm gonna surf. I'm gonna go catch a couple more. We're stoked. Dream's on. Whew. Let's do it.
Public safety alert. State of emergency declared for all areas in Dare County due to increased confidence of significant impacts of Hurricane Isaias. Mandatory evacuation of Hatteras Island Zone A ordered effective at noon 8/1. Holy cow. Mandatory evacuation. That's really gnarly. All right, guys, so it's currently 11:28 a.m. We are here, and I just went a 6 a.m. surf session all the way till 11:28 with no coffee. I finally just got a coffee right now, picked it up in town. I'm heading back out to go surfing, but we rolled down here, solo surf trip, ran into the boys. I ended up breaking my GoPro, smashing the screen. I buckled my surfboard. I'll show it to you guys in the next vlog, but we got some waves. We scored this morning. We're about to go surf again. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, please subscribe down below. If you're not already subscribed, it's a little red button. You can also like the video and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for all the stoke. That ends the vlog for today, but today is not over for me. I'm gonna keep surfing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for the stoke. Whew, I am exhausted. Thank God for coffee. See you guys tomorrow. Yoo.